Hello everyone, this is Mr. Regner, and I'd like to introduce you to the Native American Research Project. Inside your Social Studies Google Classroom, you will find an assignment, and it actually contains two different Google Slides presentations. The first one is a view-only presentation, and it's called Map Resources. It looks just like this. So if I were to click on the different slides or go through the presentation, you can see the first slide, or I guess slide 2, shows you the area where different Native American tribes are located. And so this is the continental United States. What's not shown here would include the Arctic Native American tribes. So more on that later. I'm just going to really quickly flip through and notice that we've got some geography maps here showing you where rivers are located, showing you information about the climate, showing you about the plants that can grow in those different areas or zones. And then here we get to some areas here in Alaska, which would be like for our Arctic Native American tribes. The second presentation is different for different people. So the first slide is the same for all, and it gives you a breakdown here of some notes that you're going to be taking based on your slides. All right, so we have a box that says geography. That's where you're going to use the maps that I just shared with you to kind of answer the questions that you see here. Same with climate. Use the climate maps to answer those questions. And then it says click on the globe to learn more about this group, like its home, food, clothing, tools, art, transportation, social life, and rituals. Now that doesn't make sense because there's no globes here, but I have right now the woodlands pulled up. They're all very similar. Everybody's going to have this exact same thing, except this is the eastern woodlands. Some of you will have different zones based on the different Native American groups. So if I click on this globe, I get a special website that takes me here so I can learn more. But wait, look, here's another globe. If I click on that one, I get another link that tells me more about the eastern woodlands Native Americans. So again, for down here, these three boxes, I'm learning about these three things based on the links that are here in the globes. There are two links for each Native American group. The top two boxes under geography and climate, I'm learning about those by using the resource maps that I shared with you here. So all these different maps are going to help me to know more about the resources at the top. So maps help you here, and then the little globe links help you down here. Now, what is this all for? Well, the third slide has a nice little review. So how does their location influence their lives? Think about the location, the type of landforms they have, the type of climate they have, the type of food they can grow, all that stuff. And then we'll be creating our very own slide presentation with 8 slides. Now, some of you will ask, do I need to make a brand new slide presentation? Yes, you can. Or if you want to just tack on or add on 8 slides right onto here, you can. Your first slide, name of region and your name. Well, that's pretty easy. So the name of the region here would be the Eastern Woodlands, and your name would be your name, the name that you go by. And then slide 2, geography and climate. You're going to tell me about the geography and the climate of that Native American group. The homes and clothing, food and tools and methods used to get their food and prepare it. Items they made, like transportation or art. Lifestyle, like their social life, the leaders, how that all worked for them. The rituals, the ceremonies, how their location influenced their lives. So 8 slides all together. Now you're going to use the notes, boop, right back up here to help you, boop, right over here. 8 slides. Now you can add pictures if you would like to. You can add fancy fonts and add colors, whatever you would like to do. It's pretty open-ended. But what I'm looking for from each slide is what's outlined right here. All right, if you have any questions, of course, you can ask me in class or you can send me an email. All right, I hope you enjoy this project.